Suppose you had to go to some unknown place wherein you are not aware of the native language spoken over there. Just imagine, how would you go through the situation? Sounds tough, right? Hence, I would request you all to learn multiple languages which would help you all in one or the other way for your future. Hello viewers, I am back with one more beneficial topic. Today's video is all about restaurant related conversations. Let me start, but before that, if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe. If you like this video, hit a like and share with your friends and family members. And yes, without fail, please turn on the notifications to get updated for my upcoming videos. So yeah, without making any further delay, let's get started. Now the restaurant staff welcomes you by saying, "Please come in, sir." Now let's learn to say this in Hindi. Kripiya andar aa jaiye. In Tamil, dayavu senji ulle vaanga. Let's learn this in Telugu. Dayachesi lopalaki randi. Now in Kannada, dayavittu olage banni or dayavittu olagade banni. Both means the same. What would you like to have? Let's learn to say this in Hindi. आप क्या लेना चाहेंगे? और वन मोर वे ऑफ सेइंग इज आप खाने में क्या लेना चाहेंगे? बोथ मीन्स द सेम. नाउ इन तमिल, நீங்க என்ன சாப்பிட விரும்புறீங்க? లెట్స్ లెర్న్ దిస్ ఇన్ తెలుగు. మీరు ఏమి తినాలనుకుంటున్నారు? ఇన్ కన్నడ, ನೀವು ತಿನ್ನೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ತಗೊಂತೀರಾ or ಏನು ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಳ್ತೀರಾ? Both means the same. Next one, would you like to have veg or non-veg? In Hindi, आप veg पसंद करेंगे या non-veg? So that was in Hindi. Now in Tamil, நீங்கள் veg இல்லை non-veg விரும்புகிறீங்களா? Let's learn this in Telugu. మీరు వెజ్ లేదా నాన్ వెజ్ ఇష్టపడతారా? ఐ రిపీట్, మీరు వెజ్ లేదా నాన్ వెజ్ ఇష్టపడతారా? అండ్ ఇన్ కన్నడ, ನೀವು వెజ్ ಅಥವಾ నాన్ వెజ్ ఇష్టపಡ್ತೀರಾ? ನೀವು వెజ్ ಅಥವಾ నాన్ వెజ్ ఇష్టపಡ್ತೀರಾ? నౌ ఫోర్త్ వన్, విచ్ వన్ డూ యూ వాంట్? इन हिंदी, आपको कौन सा चाहिए? Now in Tamil, உங்களுக்கு எது வேண்டும்? To make it simple, உங்களுக்கு எது வேணும்? Now in Telugu, మీకు ఏది కావాలి? I repeat, మీకు ఏది కావాలి? Now in Kannada, ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನು ಬೇಕು? Next one, bring me the menu card. Let's learn this in Hindi. मेरे लिए मेनू कार्ड ले आना और मेरे लिए मेनू कार्ड लाना. You can say in any of these ways. In Tamil, எனக்கு மெனு கார்டு எடுத்துகிட்டு வந்து கொடுங்க. கொடுங்க means give. In Telugu, నాకు మెనూ కార్డ్ తెచ్చి ఇవ్వండి. ఇవ్వండి means again give in Telugu. Now in Kannada, ನನಗೆ ಮೆನು ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ತಂದು ಕೊಡಿ. Next one, here is the menu card, sir. Please give me the order. Let's learn this in Hindi. Sir, menu card यहाँ है, अब मुझे order दो. I repeat, menu card यहाँ है, अब मुझे order दो. Now in Tamil, sir, menu card இங்கே இருக்கு, இப்போ எனக்கு order கொடுங்க. Let's learn this in Telugu. Sir, menu card ఇక్కడ ఉంది, ఇప్పుడు నాకు ఆర్డర్ ఇవ్వండి. అండ్ ఇన్ కన్నడ, ಮೆನು ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ, ಈಗ ನನಗೆ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಕೊಡಿ. ಮೆನು ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ, ಈಗ ನನಗೆ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಕೊಡಿ. 1 plate chicken biryani, grilled chicken, butter naan and paneer butter masala. So this was the order placed by the customer. Sure sir, give me some time. Let's learn this in Hindi. ज़रूर सर, आप मुझे थोड़ा समय दीजिए और कुछ समय दीजिए. You can say in any of these ways. Now in Tamil, நிச்சயமா சார், எனக்கு கொஞ்சம் நேரம் கொடுங்க or சிறிது நேரம் கொடுங்க. Now in Telugu, తప్పకుండా సార్, నాకు కొంచెం సమయం ఇవ్వండి. Now in Kannada, ಖಂಡಿತ ಸರ್, ನನಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸಮಯ ಕೊಡಿ. Next, let's move on to the further conversation. Do you want anything else, sir? In Hindi, आपको और कुछ चाहिए? Let's learn this in Tamil. உங்களுக்கு வேறு ஏதாவது வேண்டுமா? So that was in Tamil. Let's move on to Telugu. సార్ మీకు ఇంకేమైనా కావాలా? I repeat, మీకు ఇంకేమైనా కావాలా? Next, in Kannada, ಸರ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಬೇರೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಬೇಕಾ? I repeat, ನಿಮಗೆ ಬೇರೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಬೇಕಾ? Next, nothing else, give me the bill. Let's learn this in Hindi. और कुछ नहीं, मुझे बिल दो. Now in Tamil, வேறு எதுவும் எனக்கு வேண்டாம், எனக்கு பில் கொடுங்க. In Telugu, ఇంకేం లేదు, నాకు బిల్ ఇవ్వండి. I repeat, ఇంకేం లేదు, నాకు బిల్ ఇవ్వండి. In Kannada, ಬೇರೆ ಏನು ಬೇಡ, ನನಗೆ ಬಿಲ್ ಕೊಡಿ. ಬೇರೆ ಏನು ನನಗೆ ಬೇಡ, ನನಗೆ ಬಿಲ್ ಕೊಡಿ. Next, will you pay by cash or card? In Hindi, सर आप बिल को कैश या कार्ड से पे करेंगे. I repeat, आप कैश या कार्ड से पे करेंगे. In Tamil, நீங்கள் கேஷா இல்லை கார்டில் பே பண்ணுறீங்களா? நீங்கள் கேஷா இல்லை కార్డిல் పే பண்ணுறீங்களா? ఇన్ తెలుగు, మీరు క్యాషా లేదా కార్డ్తో పే చేస్తారా? అండ్ ఇన్ కన్నడ, ಸರ್ ನೀವು ಕ್ಯಾಶಾ ಅಥವಾ ಕಾರ್ಡಲ್ಲಿ ಪೇ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? So that was in Kannada. I hope you would have learned some commonly spoken conversations at restaurant. Next time when you are in unknown place, try to communicate in their native language so that you will be treated in a friendly way. Was this video useful? Then please give me a feedback in the comment section. I hope you would have learned something new. If yes, then hit a like. Share with your friends and family members. It's time to request you all to turn on the notifications to get updated for my upcoming videos. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe. Let's catch up with next wonderful video with another fascinating topic. Till then, it's your channel host Kavita signing off. Bye bye and thanks for watching. See you again.